Hey, so if Leonardo AI is not loading on your browser, yeah, like the page stays blank, keeps spinning, or won't open at all, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, slow or unstable internet can stop the site from loading completely. Next, yeah, just refresh the page. I mean, sometimes it's a temporary loading glitch. Now, uh, open Leonardo AI in incognito mode. I mean, this avoids cache and extension issues. Yeah, corrupted cache can stop websites from loading. Clearing it often fixes the issue. Now, extensions or ad blockers can block important scripts. Try turning them off. Yeah, sometimes the problem is not you. I mean, the Leonardo AI servers might be down or overloaded. Now, try a different browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. I mean, this helps if the issue is browser specific. Yeah, an outdated browser can break modern web apps. Updating it can fix loading problems. If nothing works, restart your device. I mean, this clears background issues and resets connections. So yeah, that's how you fix Leonardo AI not loading on browser. Most of the time, it's cache issues, extensions, or server problems. Try these steps and the site should load again. Thanks for watching.